Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Madison Middle School, home of the Mustangs in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. My first visit to this campus, and it was a real special one. I got to talk to grades 6, 7, and 8, part of the AM/PM after school program, and just had a great time with all of them. They really touched my heart. A lot of them came up to me after and shared their hearts with me and just said, hey, what you shared with us today really hit home. And whether they're going through something in their lives or will go through something in their lives, it's something that they know that, yes, hurt people. A big reason why bullying happens, which was the main focus of today's presentation, but heal people, right? And so the sub-theme was look at the heart first, and our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, one finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift higher than ourselves. But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, what we say, what we do, our actions, our words, whether it's virtually or in person, can potentially have the same impact as bullying, right? That's something over and over and over again, repeated on purpose to get power over someone. But things that aren't bullying, those one-time actions, can have the same effect. And they can last forever in a positive or a negative way. So do we choose kindness? Do we choose love? Do we choose to make this planet a better place? Or do we choose the alternative, hatred? Because I always say, kids aren't cruel, people aren't cruel. We're all just mirrors, right? And what we reflect, hopefully we're not taught that within these walls, but at our homes, our environments where we grow up, a lot of times we unfortunately choose to reflect some of the hate that we see instead of the love. But we can always be able to see someone for their heart first, but also for this too. All of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. You have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for Madison Mustangs. No, it stands for miracle. It might stand for that too. But like the front of my shirt here, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we truly have to buy into this because so many students I speak to, they don't. They've never been told this, or maybe, they've forgotten this, need a reminder, and we can be that light to someone else's heart. So again, just, a really great time with the students and staff here in the libraries where we had the assembly today. And I've got 2 more visits scheduled for this school year, so I'll be back again to share my heart and some other important topics. But until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.